Tiny ant videos are going insanely viral right now. Some are getting millions of views. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos step by step using AI, and yes, it's completely free. First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt: write a short cinematic story about an advanced ant colony whose energy source, golden seed, is dying, and 6 brave ants go on a dangerous river mission using a raft to bring a new seed and save their colony, with teamwork and an emotional ending. Also, create the following sections separately: story, script, image prompts, video prompts. Within seconds, you'll get everything ready: your story, scenes, and prompts. Now open Whisk or any AI image generator, copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them there to generate your scenes. Wait until all your images are ready. Once your images are ready, click on the animate option, then copy the video prompts from ChatGPT and paste them. This will turn your images into cinematic animated clips. Now open CapCut, import all your clips, arrange them in sequence, add background music and voiceover. Make sure your video feels smooth and engaging. Your video is now ready.
In the heart of a silent desert, a small yet highly advanced ant civilization thrived. Their entire world depended on a rare and powerful golden seed. But one day, the seed began to weaken, putting the entire colony in danger. That's when 6 brave ants stepped forward and began a risky mission to cross the river and bring back a new golden seed. Working together, they built a strong raft from dry grass and faced the dangerous river. The journey wasn't easy: strong currents, challenges, and danger at every turn. But their teamwork never let them give up. They returned with the new seed and saved their entire colony.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.